In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trello to PDF with images. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF of your Trello board that includes the visuals you see on screen, ready to share or archive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello, then click the official Trello website in the results. If you're not already signed in, log in as you normally would. Once you're in, open the specific board you want to export. What you see on your screen is what the PDF will capture, so take a moment to arrange your lists and cards the way you want them. If you want images in the PDF, make sure those images are visible on the board, typically as card covers or as the board background. Attachments that aren't shown as covers won't appear unless they're visible in the board view. When your board looks right, move your cursor over a blank area of the board, then right-click and choose Print from the context menu. If you prefer a shortcut, you can also use your browser's print command. This opens your browser's print preview. In the print window, look for Destination and change it to Save as PDF. You should now see a preview of your board, including your columns, cards, and any visible images. Next, open More Settings. Here, turn on Background Graphics. This is important because it helps include board backgrounds and many visual elements that make your PDF look like the board you see in Trello. Keep in mind that interactive elements like links won't be clickable in the printed PDF, and some embedded content may not render the same way as in the browser. While you're in More Settings, you can optionally adjust things like scale, margins, and orientation to improve readability. If parts of the board are getting cut off or look too small, increasing the scale or switching orientation can help. Use the preview to confirm that the layout and images look the way you expect. When everything looks good, click Save. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name, and confirm to export. Wait a moment for the PDF to generate, then open it to verify that your lists, cards, and images are included and legible. If an image is missing, make sure it's added as a card cover or otherwise visible on the board, refresh the page, and try again. That's it. You've downloaded your Trello board to a PDF with images.